Magic is real. It was used in ancient times and it's being used today. Crazy enough, you've used it before, subconsciously. You've used it both constructively and destructively, on yourself and on others around you. How do I know? Because magic equals energy. That's what we call it today, and your personal inner magic, your inner energy, can be manipulated to bring whatever desires you wish for, whether you desire negative things or positive things. Magic works all the same either way. That's why it's gotten a bad rap by religion because of the fear of the unknown. They fear these lost arts and the potential to use magic for destructive aims that some of our ancestors had abused, but not all of them abused it for the negative. Well, we won't teach you anything negative here. So, magic is not some fantasy or fairy tale. It's a fundamental truth that ancient Kemet understood deeply. In the Emerald Tablets of Tehuti, also known as Thoth the Atlantean, we find wisdom about this inner power. Tehuti writes, "Wouldst thou gain knowledge of power? Seek ye it in the heart of the flame." This isn't about literal fire. The heart of the flame refers to the core of your being, where your life force energy resides. Tehuti expands, saying, "Know, O man, thou art complex, a being of earth and of fire. Let thy flame shine out brightly. Be thou only the fire." He's telling us that we're not just physical beings. We're also beings of energy, of fire. This fire is our soul force, our chi, our inner magic. But what exactly is this flame? Tehuti explains, "Wisdom is hidden in darkness. When lit by the flame of the soul, find thou the wisdom and be light-born, a son of the light without form." This flame is the essence of our consciousness, our soul. It's the source of our wisdom and power. In another passage of the tablets, he says, "Seek thee evermore wisdom. Find it in the heart of the flame. Know that only by striving can light pour into thy brain." This is a call to action. We must actively seek this inner fire. We must cultivate and develop this soul force. It is innate and given to us, but only develops through nurture. He further emphasizes, "Wouldst be one with the heart of the flame? Seek then within thine own hidden flame." This is the key. The power we seek isn't outside of us. It's within us, in our own hidden flame. This concept of inner fire, of soul force, didn't stay confined to ancient Egypt. After Tehuti taught them this wisdom, the Egyptians called it Hekau. But the knowledge spread far and wide. In India, it became known as prana. In China, it's called chi. Other traditions have their own names for this life force. All these traditions are talking about the same thing: the energy that animates us, the power that flows through all living things. It's the force that healers manipulate, that martial artists cultivate, that mystics tap into for their spiritual practices. It has varying effects and power depending on how you develop it and your intention. This isn't only ancient history. This knowledge is still relevant today. Modern science is beginning to catch up, exploring concepts like biofields and energy medicine. What our ancestors called magic, we now call energy manipulation. If you want to learn how to manipulate your personal energy, then give us a like and subscribe. We'll help you learn, while you help us as well. Now let me teach you some practical wisdom. Now I will teach you some practical techniques that will help you sense, cultivate, and direct this energy. I will teach secrets that have been hidden from you, knowledge that can transform your life. This isn't just about personal power. It's about understanding your place in the universe. It's about realizing that every thought, every emotion, and every action you take is an energy event, rippling out and affecting the world around you. It's about taking responsibility for your role as a co-creator of reality. Think, have you ever felt a weird tingling when someone stares at you? Or that warm, fuzzy feeling when you hug someone you love? That's energy, that's magic, it's real, and it's powerful. But the scale of your magic power purely depends on if and how you develop it. The ancients knew this wisdom. They didn't call it energy back then. They called it prana, chi, or life force. But it's all the same thing. It's the magic that flows through everything in the universe, including you. At the very least, I advise you to use it to improve your personal reality. Once you master your personal magic, then let's work on building a new world together. Breathe. Think. Feel that energy flowing through you right now. Now, let's get practical. How do you start working with this energy? How do you wake up your inner magic? It's not about waving a wand or chanting spells. It's about learning to feel and direct the energy that's already inside you. I'll show you a technique from the Vigyan Bhairav Tantra. This ancient text gives 112 ways to expand your consciousness. We're going to use one of the simplest but most powerful methods. Here's what you do. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Focus on the point where your breath enters and exits your nostrils. Feel the coolness as you breathe in, the warmth as you breathe out. Don't try to control your breath, just watch it. As you do this, you might start to feel a tingling sensation or a sense of expansion. That's your energy body waking up. That's your magic starting to stir. Remember, this takes time and practice. You're not going to become a master overnight, but stick with it and you'll start to notice changes. You'll start to feel more connected, more alive. You'll start to tap into abilities you never knew you had. If you practice this as I was instructing, then comment below. What did you feel? Now that you're starting to wake up your inner magic, let's talk about how to use it in your everyday life. This isn't about pulling rabbits out of hats. We don't teach tricks here. But if you've watched until this point, I'm sure you realize that anyway. Let's start with a powerful breathing technique called Nadi Shodhana, or alternate nostril breathing. This is an ancient practice that's been used for tens of thousands of years to balance the energy in your body. Here's how you do it. Sit comfortably, spine straight. Lift your right hand up to your nose. Use your right thumb to close your right nostril. Breathe in deeply through your left nostril. Feel the cool air flowing in. At the top of the breath, pause for a moment. Now, use your ring finger to close your left nostril and release your thumb from the right. Breathe out slowly through your right nostril. Feel the warm air flowing out. Now, keeping your left nostril closed, breathe in through your right. At the top of the breath, close the right, open the left, and breathe out left. That's one full round. Keep going for at least 5 minutes, but aim for 10 to 15 if you can. This practice isn't just about moving air in and out. It's about balancing the two main energy channels in your body, Ida and Pingala. Ida is associated with the left side of your body, the moon, and cooling energy. Pingala is associated with the right side, the sun, and heating energy. By alternating your breath between nostrils, you're balancing these energies. Think about it. When you're stressed, your breath is usually shallow and rapid. When you're calm, it's deep and slow. By consciously controlling your breath with Nadi Shodhana, you're directly influencing your energy state. You're clearing your mind, calming your emotions, and boosting your overall energy. It's like hitting the reset button on your entire system. Breathe. Think. Feel the balance settling into your body. Notice how your mind becomes clearer, your emotions more stable. Now, let me talk about visualization. It's a powerful tool for directing energy. Your mind, heart, and your energy are intimately connected. By learning to direct your thoughts and your emotions into what you're visualizing, you can direct energy. Try this. Rub your hands together vigorously for about 30 seconds. Really get them warm. Now, hold them slightly apart, like you're holding an invisible ball. Close your eyes and imagine a ball of energy forming between your hands. As you breathe in, see this ball getting bigger and brighter. Maybe it's white or gold or whatever color feels right to you. As you breathe out, see it getting more concentrated and intense. Focus on the sensations in your hands. You might feel warmth or tingling or a slight magnetic pull. Don't brush this off as just your imagination. This is you learning to sense and move energy. This is real. Keep breathing. Keep visualizing. With each breath, make the ball of energy stronger and more vibrant. After a few minutes, try moving your hands slightly apart and then back together. Feel the resistance, like you're compressing a ball of energy. This is actually you learning to manipulate energy with your mind. It's the foundation for more advanced energy work. Healers use this kind of visualization to direct healing energy. Martial artists use it to enhance their power. Mystics use it to connect with higher realms of consciousness. With practice, you'll be able to generate this energy ball faster and make it stronger. You'll be able to move it around your body, using it to clear blockages or boost your energy where needed. This is real magic, folks. This is you taking control of your energy, your life force. Remember, these practices take time to master. Don't get frustrated if you don't feel much at first. Keep at it. The more you practice, the more sensitive you'll become to energy and the more powerful your ability to direct it will be. This is the beginning of your journey as an energy master, a true magician in the real sense of the word. Energy work isn't only about personal practices. It's about how you interact with the world. Start paying attention to how different people and places affect your energy. As you get deeper into this energy work, you'll find that it starts to change every part of your life. This isn't about doing a few exercises now and then. It's about living in constant awareness of the energy that surrounds and flows through you. Keep your energy clean and clear. Just like you shower to keep your physical body clean, you need to cleanse your energy body regularly. Visualize bright light flowing through you, washing away any negative energy. Or try smudging with sage, taking salt baths, or using crystals. Find what works for you and make it a regular practice. Learn to manage your energy throughout the day. Be aware of your thoughts and emotions, understanding that these are energy events that affect not just you, but the world around you. Practice directing your energy towards your goals. Learn to pull your energy back from situations and thoughts that drain you. Connect with nature. It's full of pure, vital energy. Spend time outdoors, not just passively, but actively engaging with the energy of the earth, the trees, and the sky. Learn to draw in this energy to recharge yourself. As you progress on this path, you might start to develop abilities that seem extraordinary. Increased intuition, the ability to sense energy fields, and maybe even things like telepathy or precognition. Remember, these aren't supernatural powers. They're natural results of becoming more tuned into the energy of the universe. But with this growing power comes responsibility. Use this power for your highest good and the good of others, not for showing off or manipulating others. Living a life of magic means understanding that you're not separate from the universe, but a part of it. Remember, magic equals energy. It means knowing that every thought, every action, every intention sends ripples through the fabric of reality. It means taking responsibility for your role as a co-creator of your reality. That is magic. You can manipulate your personal and impersonal realities by using universal energy, which can be harnessed within you. And as Tehuti says, "Be not afraid of the power within thee." This path isn't always easy. It takes dedication and a willingness to challenge what you think you know about reality, but the rewards are incredible. As you align yourself with the energy of the universe, you open yourself to levels of wisdom, power, and fulfillment beyond anything you've experienced before. Remember, this isn't about escaping reality. It's about embracing the true nature of reality. It's about recognizing the magic, the energy that's in everything, and learning to work with it consciously. This is the path of the true magician, the energy master, and it's a path that's open to anyone willing to walk it.